Sitting in the whip on the strip, in the strip that my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need.
Hey y'all, in the laundromat. I'm drying my clothes. Today's Saturday, December 6th. It's cold outside. I got 1 more minute on the dryer. Yeah, my timer just went off. It's my first time seeing overnight oats in a bottle. Look. That's $3.99. That's different. Oh god, I don't know what this is, but this looks good. A whole lot of sugar, that's what it is. Natural and made fresh kosher. Good ingredients. There's only 7 grams in there. It's 7 or 11? 9. Okay. You know what I want? I want sweets, but I want gluten-free. I want organic sweets. I don't want to be eating that. Too much sugar. Hey y'all, I'm back inside. 7 o'clock, 7:11 to be exact. So this is what I bought from the market, the apple market. I saw this bread and it was on sale. It was $1.99. It's called pan de leche. Pan de leche. Loose breads. Yeah, I'm gonna try it, but not right now because I'm gonna make some. Right now I'm about to cook some. I'm trying to figure out if I want cabbage and corned beef, even though that's what I wake up this morning feeling. But now I'm trying to see if I should make some mackerel instead with dumpling and banana. So that's what I'm not gonna try right now. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. Probably either with some tuna or the salmon tuna, the salmon in the can like the tuna. I mix them both together because it's the same thing. I just mix it together. I make this little sandwiches and like I'm gonna take it to work or something. They're so cute. It better taste good. I was trying to buy my bread because I just bought bread from Dollar Tree the other day. Like, well, it was last week. Yeah, last week. So I wasn't trying to buy no bread, but I'm like, oh, this is a good deal. And, you know, so I bought 3 apples, 3 red apples. I bought banana. I would give it an organic one, but I didn't see it. I didn't feel like walking through the other store, so I'll probably get it another time. I'm about to cook. I'm hungry. I ate this morning, but I ate like I want. Actually, not even this morning. I ate it on 1 o'clock. I found some wings for $5. I was like, oh, I love me some wings. So, because it was 5 something. Yeah, I'm like, I need one of these. Good side of avocado. And I bought garlic because I'm gonna make the garlic bread, like the Alfredo bread. I need a garlic to make the paste. This was $2.50. And I went to the other store the other day. I saw it was like 4 something. I'm not buying that, but this is a good price for $2.50. It's a good amount, I should say, for $2.50. It's 5 of them in there. Yeah, fresh garlic. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go cook. Finish. Look at these. Snipes. These are nice. But I'm not gonna look. Oh, the blue one. This blue one. This is nice too. This is $69. It's not bad. Black one. I really like this one. I mean, it's the same one, but I like the color, I guess. Bugs. This color is nice. Oh, I don't like this one better. These are different type of Uggs, but it's not really my style. It's not bad, but the price is $150. I'm not paying $150 for this child. They're going on sale for like $70, then I get it. But they look like they new, like they just came out, so they ain't going on sale no time soon. Probably like next year or something. And that's when I would get it next year. I'm not paying for that. I see that price. That's crazy. Anyways, let me get out of here. So they're closing the store down here. It's the store closing. Like, it's empty in here. Oh, nothing. Oh, back there. Okay, I'm wasting my time coming in here because they ain't got shit. Let me go. Teas. It's the meringue, but they got meringue and lemon, and they got the what's that? Avocado mango. I ain't never seen no avocado mango. It's not focusing. Avocado mango tea. Oh my god, this one's annoying. I can't reach it because I'm so short. And I see ashwagandha back there. They got passion fruit, green tea, organic pomegranate, and they got the acai berry. I don't got my blueberry. And they got this one right here. I think I'm gonna get this one today. Organic lemon, green tea. But yeah, so it's good. This one is $4.99. And this one is $2.99. 25 bags in here, and it's just 50 bags. This is strings and tea bags. We got these up here. I don't want these. Hold on. I gotta figure out what the Mandela tea right here, sir. Mandela. Organic rooibos. What's the benefits of this tea though? Okay. There you go. This is a bone growth and repair. $4.99. But next time I buy it. I'm gonna try moringa tea. I never had moringa or what do you call it? Moringa, right? Am I say right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got the chai green tea right here in front of me. Let me see it. How? Oh, chai green tea. 20 bags in here though. The price is $2.99. It's not bad. I just noticed like this is similar to the blueberry because there's blueberries on the can. Just because he didn't say blueberry. That's why berries is different from blueberries. So see, well it's blueberry on the can. So I still got a passion fruit tea bag. So I'm not even gonna buy that one. Let me get this. I need this. We're heading home now. It's raining. I forgot it was supposed to rain today. But hold on. Today is December 10th. I have an appointment tomorrow. It's so warm. I'm walking to this bus. I'm just walk up. I have a little pathway right here. I'm gonna do a little pathway because there's some construction over there. But yeah, so I was also I came out here to go to the library to print out because I renew my lease. Yeah. So I came out here to print out the papers because the library by my house is closed. They're doing construction too. So I had to come all the way down here on Steinway to freaking go to the library. I'm like, come on, man. Oh yeah, so I came out to print out the papers so I could. I tried to do it on my phone, but it wouldn't let me. I don't know. Whatever. I usually print out papers anyways. So I came to print out my papers so I could sign this lease and send it back to them. They asked me if I want to renew my lease. I was like, yeah, of course. Where I'm going? Nowhere. Not a rain falling. I hope they don't get wet. They better not get wet. Well, it's drizzling. It's not really falling hard, so it's good. Oh God, we're talking about 9 minutes. Oh, let's miss one. I missed one. We're talking about 9 minutes. At first I thought I was gonna walk, but I forgot when I came out of the library, so it was raining. I was like, oh hell no. Oh yeah, when I came off of the bus earlier over there, they got a Bath and Body Works down there, but of course y'all know that's not my store. I don't care for that store. I feel like people just going Bath and Body Works for the aesthetic because I went in there to go smell the candles. I mean, all of them don't smell bad, but they smell good, but the prices is not mine. Like I said, people just do it for the aesthetic, please. Whatever. I ain't doing that. Look like an Eskimo. Oh, look. These buses say 8 minutes. So, I'm gonna this thing because I don't get wet. I'm home, y'all. So, I bought this tea. And I bought the meringue. What do you call it? Moringa? Meringue. I always see this tea and I never get it. So, I'm gonna try it. This one to give a go for Kirani. So what we got in there? We got these. That's what's in the box. Yeah, I've been so this. I always see this when I go there. I'm like, I'm gonna get Kimani this for Christmas. Yeah, that's about it. I'm about to get something to eat, and I'm definitely gonna go to bed early because I have an appointment tomorrow, like at 10 o'clock. Well, 10:30. I gotta be there 10:15. It's not far though. It's right down the block. I could literally walk there. but I'm not gonna walk. I'm like, trying to see if I should make some wings. I made some wings last night. Yeah, made some dressing with rice. The rest of it, I made stew peas. I ate it with stew peas, and I had some cabbage. Oh yeah, these are got my papers right here. Oh yeah, the other day I ate Milo. Oh, cause listen, I tore up them bagels that I bought from Dollar Tree. Them done. I be eating two every morning. Them done. From what's today? From last week I started eating them. They are finished. Today was the last one I had with one of the wheat stuff I had from Walmart. The wheat bun thing I have on Walmart. Wheat bread. It's like it's shaped like this. So yeah, I still had one of like totals left when I ate one yesterday. And I ate the last one today with the last mini bagel. It was so cute. I gotta go over there and get more, but I'm not gonna buy no more bread right now because I have wheat bread in the fridge and I have the oat bread, so I'm not gonna buy no more bread right now. And I forgot I had these because I had them in the closet. I'm like, girl, you need to take your vitamins. I'll be drinking my tea though, but still, like, okay. So I was drinking Milo with it the other day. I'm like, hold on, why don't I be drinking my Milo? I had it in the cupboard. I used to be on the counter where I could see you. Yeah, I want to make some brown rice right now though. Some wings. I want to eat avocado and eat it with cucumbers. Yes, that's what I'm about to eat for dinner. Oh yeah, I have the leftover. I have more stew peas, so look a bit more left. So I'm gonna eat that with the wings. And I'm not really hungry though. Like I'm so full from. What time I ate? Was it 12 something or 1 o'clock? I think 1 o'clock. But yeah, I'm gonna eat the stew peas, brown rice, the wings. I love wings. I just love chicken. Oh my god. But chicken wings is like, oh, I love that. So with the cabbage, what time is it? 5:35 p.m. Ooh-wee. Oh my god. I know they're gonna taste good. You know, gotta ask me. I got them with ear crips. Yeah. They don't need 10 minutes. I'm gonna stop it at 5 minutes. Maybe put it 5 minutes. 5 minutes more. Yeah, I see it's almost finished, so you don't need 10 minutes. I see my shirt. Too hot to handle. Too hot to handle. But yeah, I signed my lease and send it. So yeah, the lease is renewed. Oh, the avocado. I'm hoping not something there, you know? Oh gosh. Because the heat is on right now. Alright, yeah, this sauce is almost done. Because I tore up these. See, the sauce is almost done. I'm gonna show you how much is in there. Because this sauce is really good with chicken, with wings. Oh my god. But I'm trying next time, I'm trying to get it a little spicy. Because you see, it's not spicy, it's that mild. But yeah, how much is what's up, Mauricio? Yeah, I'm making my rice right here, my jasmine rice, my jasmine brown rice. That's what we're eating today. Oh, I'm doing some stew peas too. Hold on, get them. We're gonna get that pot. This is what I cooked it in. You see how the pot getting old already? No, I'm looking at it. Oh, you got it before? Oh yeah, so I'm not eating all of this right now. I'm gonna leave some for work for tomorrow. Alright, so I'm about to try one of the moringa tea. Yeah, what is it? I'm about to go to bed because I have an appointment in the morning. I just want to get some rest. I'm tired because when I went outside earlier, I was walking up and down like crazy. So that's it. Look. Oh, it's not a little strong, huh? Hold on. Miracle tree. The leaves and every other part of this tree are consumed in different ways for its health benefits. A refreshing beverage. I looked up the organic, 100% organic moringa leaf. But that's what it said. 100%. Oh, and the tea bag full. Oh, you got a barcode on there. Okay, now. Yeah, I like how the tea bag is full though. Well, Okay, I spoke too soon. It's not that full. Still a lot though. Yeah, we're gonna get the cup. We're gonna take you up and we're gonna pour. Oh, should I drink this? This smells like this is gonna take you to the bathroom. Whoa, this is strong. This look like this should send me to the bathroom. Oh my god. Hold on. Wait a minute. Cause you know how earthy for teeth. What benefits say again? I ordered a cute jacket from Shein. It depends on the account that you have. If you have accounts and you've been checking in for your points, I guess I don't know, because some accounts price is different. I saw a jacket on there on my account. I got two. I had three. I don't remember the other one, but I had two signed in. So I saw a jacket for $7. Okay, I bought it because I'm like, I have it in the cart from yesterday. I'm like, you know what? Let me buy this before, it sell out because I like the jacket. Yeah, I ordered it. I literally just ordered it like an hour ago. Just came off the phone, Kimani, my baby. He have an appointment tomorrow. The jacket though, I'm trying to show you the jacket that I just bought. I paid $7.84. You smell it, it's strong. It's strong. Bro, I mean, I am going to the doctor for a checkup, so. I mean, I know how to use the bathroom before you go, but still, yo, this it smells like, the ballerina tea? It's similar to that, to me. I didn't even infuse it. It's kind of hot. I just want to taste it real quick. Oh, backside. No, sir. No, 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 no. You know the band that. Yo, this smell crazy. Why tea smell so? I saw this always. Yo, I don't say I always see this tea. Last year before, even when I was in Cornwall, I always see the tea, and I'm like, should I buy this? Like I never had it before. This shit's strong. I want to taste it though. Alright, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get cold now. I'm gonna my phone. I'll be back. Because it's hot. So I'm gonna let it brew. And we'll come back. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Let's try it. I'm back. Still hot, but. Okay. It's not bad. You know what I don't like? What team I don't like? I don't like a Cersei. I like Cersei, but I don't like Cersei. Because it tastes bitter. This kind of do that too. It kind of remind me of Cersei. But maybe drinking, but it's not one of my favorite tea. Like I've been seeing it in the boxes too, and I've never pick it up. Wee, but those bitter stuff good for you, so. Okay, it's not bad. Can go on. I'm ready to eat. No, I'm gonna get to the 9. I'm gonna get the 9. Good night. Y'all wanna know that I got ready to go to this appointment. They literally called me when I was in the elevator to reschedule it. But I did see 2 missed calls from yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't call them back. I should have. Maybe I got just not everything, and look. It's my fault, it's cool. But I still wanna go outside. Cause I'm dressed. I don't like to yo, I feel like I'm gonna go find something to do. Like go do some errands or something. What if I should go do laundry? I should go do laundry because I want to wash my comforters. I think I'm gonna do that. And come back inside. Yeah. Yeah, alright. I did this to myself, it's cool. I bet I didn't even say morning. Good morning. But I hate these glasses. The other glasses, I don't really hate them, but I don't like them. I rather the other one, and they broke. Those are my favorite glasses. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The other black ones I always wear. Oh, those are my favorite glasses, and they broke. Isn't? Wait, is it my package? I got a big sheet order. Like I want to go to Dunkin'. I went to go to Dunkin' and go try the Christmas stuff. Yo, that moringa tea, that's definitely a detox tea. I said it, it smelled like it. I was like, oh, this is garbage. I'm like, this smell like it's gonna make me go to the bathroom. Yeah, that tea, baby. That's all I'm saying. Y'all know how detox go. I'm gonna give it too much information. But yeah, go back upstairs. I feel like I'll go back upstairs. Should I go to Dunkin'? I want to try the breakfast stuff. Not breakfast, the Christmas stuff. The Christmas menu. That's what I'm thinking about, but it's gonna be a walk. I ain't gonna lie. It's early though. It's like 10, probably 10:30 now. The mailman is here. Let's go outside. The poor man. It's too early for this. I'm gonna do a video. Hold on. Let me check the. Let me sit right here. Let me sit right here and check the menu. It's windy outside too. Hold on. I'll come back. Listen. I'm gonna go back upstairs because I was like poor. And I was watching the reviews on TikTok with them drinks, and the black people tried it. They didn't like it, so. Well, I watched two black people that tried one of the toasted something and the white chocolate and peppermint something out. So yeah, everybody be just doing it for the hype. I'm not a Dunkin' girl like that. I tried a matcha once. Well, no, I had a matcha. Did I get the matcha after that again? If I got it, because I really, really wanted it. And the one that I did try was good. So, but I don't go there every day buying Dunkin'. Who wasting their money like that on Dunkin'? Please. Anyways, not me. So I'm going to make my own breakfast because I have oat bread. Yeah, oat bread, eggs, avocado. I'm making my own avocado toast with eggs on the side. Please. I'm not gonna spend money on Dunkin' when I got food in the house. Not doing that. We not doing that. I'm back home. Well, you just left out. Yeah, I did. I just left out, but I'm back in. Shoot, you know what? I gotta take my ass to sleep. How about that? Go back to sleep. I'm about to go back to sleep. Child. At least I showered already. You know what? Maybe I get up and go to the gym. They're cleaning it right now. So around the time they clean it. So, but that moringa tea, yo, I'm scared of that. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later because I'm about to go right back in my bed. It's 10:34. Early. So I'll just boil my eggs. I'm gonna try the bread now. I'm like, it's hours later. 1:04 p.m. But I'm gonna try this bread. I know it tastes good. Oh, bread. Look at the avocado that I cut yesterday. This is what I hate about avocados. Like, they spoil so quick, yo. I hate that shit. Literally just cut it yesterday. This just made me want to eat all of it one time. Look. This made me want to eat all of it one time. But I gotta cut all this part out. I hate that. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this avocado today. Not right now, but I'm gonna bring a piece of my lunch because my dinner. Bring a piece of my dinner because this is terrible. I'm gonna eat some with my toast right now. I need toast with the toaster. I'm gonna eat avocado toast with eggs right now, and then the rest I'm gonna bring for lunch because I'll keep this for another day. It's done. Look at it. Aww. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I saw a bread container on real quick. Timo. Got it. Your regular bread. Got oats on there. Big thin though. It's thin slices. We're gonna put it in the toaster. Gonna toast it. Yeah, let me eat the other part. So shorty, I'm missing you crazy. I'm watching Moesha when she skipped school, went to go hang out with Q and she skipped school. If you know, you know. Who's calling me? Somebody calling me. My ears is ringing. No, like no, not like somebody really calling me right now. Hold on. Who that, man? Yeah. Oh, you know where today? Okay. Some errands. Oh. Okay, we get all of them one time. Uh, yeah, eat some lunch. Oh, no, I'm not using this. No, I'm gonna work next to people them. The IT people them, cause they must know. And so. Listen. Yeah. That's so much. Oh, that's too much. See? Nobody can ever make me feel like I want Karen. Cause me not take expensive. Morning, y'all. Today is December 13, and I just got off the train because they asked me to work today. I'm working at the Stella McCartney store. I'm in Soho. This is Green Street, so gotta be this way. Hold on, let me find this store. Yeah, I'm working there today and tomorrow. So, oh yeah, I think I see all these stores because I remember watching a video with Aaliyah J. She got proposed to. Oh, that's so nice. I'm happy for her. I've been watching her for the longest. If y'all ever watch Aaliyah J. Oh, this store is right here. I'm blind. I'm early too. It's right next to the Louis Vuitton store. Of course, from Dior and Versace. But yeah, Aaliyah J got proposed to. I'm so happy for. Like, I'm a girl's girl. I be happy for females because we deserve it. But yeah, she deserved that. This is why you don't settle. Don't ever settle. If y'all watch her last relationship, you would think that that's the person that she was going to be with. But don't ever settle, ladies. Don't do it. God had better out there for you. And it's crazy. They used to pull her down all the time, talking about, oh, she always changing men and blah, blah, blah. She don't want to settle. What's wrong? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Because I'm the same way. I'm going to move on to that. Well, I don't move on right away. But I definitely cut off somebody else. So I would definitely cut people off real quick. But I'm not going to move on right away. But that's her business. If you want to move on right away, if you know you wasn't a problem, then it's always cool for you to move on, I guess. I don't know. But that's her business. But yeah, I'm not to the store. I'm like 30 minutes early. But I should go inside because it's kind of cold out here. But I'm gonna see y'all later because I cannot be on my phone or nothing. I'm standing by the door. Mind you, I haven't done a standing post in so long. You know what's crazy? Today's Michelle's Friendsgiving. I mean, no, what? Today is her the Christmas ugly Christmas thing. My job calling me. Hold on. Why are you calling me? Hold on. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Oh my god. I just got a break. Look, I'm gonna show you. I can't. This is why I don't do standing posts, because my whole back is killing me. I hate that shit. No, I told them I'm not coming tomorrow. So, put somebody else, because I'm not doing it. Hell no. Let's see. A lady from Law and Order was here, like the white lady. Honestly, I don't know her name. I gotta put a picture. You don't only celebrity I see come in here. I don't know nobody else. I'm about to go to my lunch though. I have our lunch. Our paid lunch. Because I deserve it. My lunch, some nuts, some chips, a sandwich, and hot chocolate. Yeah. That's crazy. It's a nice store. They got nice stuff in here, but yeah, it's almost time to go. I got like 9 minutes and I'm out. I just got off work. It's the store right there. But I'm about to go home right now. We got deer over here, Versace right here, and we got Louis right here. But I think all of them foods are $7. Let's see, organic chicken. Look at the price. $26. I mean, it is organic. That's what I expect, right? I don't get so 28. It's not bad. Let's see how much it's on this. $9. I'm gonna try this one of these days. I don't really know the difference between the regular chicken and organic. I'm gonna like test it together. I'm gonna do that. 20 grams of protein. It's not bad though. I'm tired. I'm going home to sleep. I'm going to call my child and then I'm going to sleep. I'm tired as hell. Oh my god. I just got in there. I just got in the house. Tired. Thank you, Father God. Oh my god. I will never, ever, ever, ever do that shit again. I am not. This is remind me why I don't do standing jobs. Yeah, I'm missing some buttons, whatever. So this morning yesterday I was going to work. I got to work. I'm like, hold on, a button missing. When I came home last night, I saw the button on the floor. Like, listen, I don't know. I guess I'll be rushing to put clothes on. I was see that. I didn't even hear when it popped up, so I don't know. But I bought some stuff at the store. I bought some ground beef because I'm gonna make some baked ziti because I haven't had that in so long and I love that. And I buy these again, the pineapple stuff that I bought the other day. They taste so good and they're not sweet, so even though it's carbs, but I'm gonna get 2 plantain because a long time I some plantain. I'm gonna go off it tomorrow, but after this I'm gonna call Kimani, shower, and go to sleep. I'm so tired. But yo, my back is killing me. But I got 2 plantains. So I really got 3 plantains. Yeah. This is the only one I saw too because I was looking for another one. But I needed some oats. And I didn't get to go to Walmart today. I was trying to get some oats. This was the cheapest one I saw, $2 and change. Organic bananas. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire. On the day of Pentecost. Fire, fire. And I saw this donut. Kind of remind me of sugary donut in Jamaica, but it's only lemon filled. There's power It smells good. Jesus. I think they baked this. I think so. Yeah. Break every chain. Break every chain. That's it. That's what I bought. Oh yeah. I got another sauce because I love this sauce. And I was looking for the hot one, but they don't have it. They have mild. It's almost finished. So I'm like, let me get another one because I love this. This is like sweet and spicy, gray sweet and spicy sauce. I just be here frying wings or chicken overall and just eat it with it. It tastes so good. The store that I work at today, I'm not going back. I'm supposed to go back tomorrow. I have to wear a black coat. I can't wear my coat because my coat is brown. Yeah, the banana. These bananas are big. How much I pay for banana? Hold on, let me see how much it is. It was 99 cents a pound. There's an only $3.87 for the organic. This is not okay. See the price? Sure it is. This is the last one. Yeah. Alright. So that's it. I'm gonna call my child. Showered. I'm not even gonna cook nothing. I took out chicken breast because I was gonna air fry some chicken breast and make a salad. But I'm tired. So that won't wait. I'm not even really hungry anyways. I'm good. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for tomorrow. I hear the train. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna do a video where I'm gonna speak on how I feel about doing security because I've been supposed to do it since I did a day in the life of a security guard. I was supposed to do that, but I'm gonna do it because now the way I'm back feeling right now, oh my god, I want some curry goat. I don't know. I want to feel for some curry goat. It's been a while since I had curry goat. I'm not even gonna hold you. That's when I had curry goat. I don't remember. But I'm gonna sleep most of the day tomorrow because I'm tired. Oh my god. I'm tired. I'm supposed to edit a video put up tomorrow too. Yeah, I'm supposed to put up a video tomorrow. Wait, today's what? I told y'all today's December 13th. Yeah, that girl, Taylor Swift boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, I forgot her name. She killed that video that she did for Toni Braxton. Showing love. But she was really it's like she was showing up to Toni, but she was really responding to Taylor Swift this in her song. You know, I'm not really a big fan of Taylor Swift, but I saw something on the Instagram what she did for her this morning, what she did for her employees. She gave them a extra bonus check. I forgot what the total was, like 1.7 something. I think in total though. I don't think that was the amount she gave each of them. It is in total, that's what it came up to, I think. I don't remember, but I respect her for that. Yo, I just made plantain and oats porridge and it's for the first time. And when I tell you this thing tastes so good, nobody can tell me I'm a chef. Like, what? This is my first time making this porridge. And I use oat milk and almond milk. Listen. I mean, green banana and oats. I don't know if I said that. Yeah. Oh my god. Today's what? Today's December 20th. And I feel for porridge because I put bananas in there. And I'm like, I need to make this porridge. Oh my god. I did that. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna do it. I didn't feel like recording because I was hungry, so that's why I'm just not coming to show you. But when I taste it, I'm like, oh my god, no. Wait a minute now. Yeah, I did that. Period. It's literally 3:02 p.m. I wanna finally try this bread because I got the porridge I showed you earlier. Listen, at first I made the porridge and the porridge come out so good. I put a good amount of vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, milk. I didn't put in a lot of condensed milk though, because I did put I mixed it with oat milk instead of water. I did add a little bit of water to it, but I put more oat milk and almond milk than anything. And I added crackers on one slice of the oat bread. It was so good. I mean, like I said, I didn't feel like recording anything because I was hungry. So that was like 2 hours ago. So, right? Yeah. Around 2 o'clock. Around 1 o'clock I cooked. I think it was 2. I don't know what time I cooked. But I'm going to try this milk bread that I bought the other day. And it's so soft. So, I want to bring one to work with me. So, I'm like, let me bring something. So I'm gonna drink some porridge, but I don't drink the porridge cold. It's soft. I got it. Okay, it's really good. Okay. It's not bad. It's actually moist. It's not dry or nothing. It looks dry, but it's not. It's moist, I'm telling you. So, I don't have no. I'm gonna eat for. Okay. I'm not gonna do a sandwich because I'm getting up at 11. I'm going in for 4. They literally text me when I was talking to my son's father, and I was literally just washing my hair. So I told him like I need to. He asked me what's my ETA. I'm like 4 o'clock because I literally just wash my hair and I have to blow dry it. And I said I was supposed to talk about Kibani because I was gonna jump in the shower. I did the video that I was trying to post today. Wash my hair, but jump in the shower, and I'm like, let me check on Kibani real quick before I go in the shower. And then he texted me. It's not far from me. It's like 25 minutes away. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go make this money. Because even though I was going to take a nap too. Like I said, I was trying to edit the video, take a nap, wake up, wrap Kimani gifts. Because I'm going to bring it to him tomorrow. Now I'm going to wrap it. Either I'm going to wrap it when I come tonight or I'm going to wrap it before I go tomorrow. We'll see how I feel when I come home later. Because I get up at 11. So I'm like, you know what? It's right there. It's 25 minutes. So it's good. I'm going to go. But yeah, I'm going to just see y'all later because I'm going to see what to bring to work. This is really good. This is good. It's only 6% milk. Leche. Alright. I just got off the bus. Right there. So now I got to figure out which way to go. It's still a 6-minute walk, so it shouldn't be far. Hey y'all, I'm checking real quick. They don't want me on my phone, but look at Christmas tree over here. It's cute, but I'm still not in the spirit. Oh, my coworker coming back. They got me here with somebody. It's 2 people to this. This is my view. My coworker on break, so I'm just watching the cameras. This place is cool. I like it. I just saw a big dog just now, and he was literally trying to come up to the counter when he saw me. I'm like, oh, he liked me. It's so cute, big and fluffy. So cute. Got 2 more hours to go. Hey y'all, I'm off work. You know when I went to the job, right, and one of the tenants gave me and the guard a drink, like a bottle of liquor. I don't know what it is. And I'm about to leave right now, and I go in there and I ask the other guard about it. I'm like, is this my? I know I put mine by my bag, and when I went on there for break, I didn't see it. Just now I'm going in there, I'm like, is this mine on the floor? He's like, no, I put it at the top. I'm like, I did put it at the top, but I don't see it right now. But there's another guy that was there talking to him, and when my coworker went on break, he did went back there. So this nigga took my shit. Like, he said he was gonna take it. He won't let him know about it, and then he gonna text me. Cause I don't live far from here, so he gonna text me when the guy bring it back. Cause nigga, what the hell? How you gonna just take somebody's shit like that? It's not yours. I was surprised that the tenant gave it to me because it was a sealed bottle. It was like I forgot the name of it. It's like some type of brown liquor thing. I don't drink brown liquor though. Whatever. It's a gift, so it's mine. It's like the fact that you took my shit, nigga, like no problem. I'm tight. There's a building I be seeing by my house. That building right here. I look like that. Hey y'all, I came back to end the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.